It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 20th of October. I'm Michael Groff. More of the same for the rest of the week. Dry conditions, temperatures to remain above average. But as we get later into the weekend and next week, a major change in the overall weather pattern, bringing in much cooler temperatures. The questions are, how cool will it get? And will the transition be accompanied by some rain? Well, we'll dive in and take a look at it. First, yesterday in the valley, 97 degrees, the afternoon high, 66 the morning low. The normal high 87, the normal low 64. And with that high temperature of 97 yesterday, 2020 has yet another heat record milestone in the books. The most days in a calendar year with a high temperature of 95 plus. We are now at 167 such days. We'll tack on to that today, tomorrow, maybe even on Thursday, before we hopefully are done with that for the rest of the year. And as we take a look outside now, here at 5:05 a.m., clear sky out there, sitting at 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 34, relative humidity 26%. The winds are light and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 51 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 53 Goldfield, 59 at Gilbert. Most locations in the metro are in the 60s to near 70. The upper air analysis, it's more of the same old pattern here. The westerlies remain well to the north of Arizona. High pressure in control here over the greater southwest. A dry northwesterly flow aloft. And that's going to continue for most of the rest of the week. As we take a look at the watch warning map, we continue to swelter here in the southwest. Meanwhile, winter weather advisories on going up north. Parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota. Around Minneapolis, St. Paul, they could see 3 to 7 inches of snow over the next 24 hours or so. Convective outlook for today, very quiet again across the country. No severe weather anticipated. And tropical season continues to roll on. A brand new system on the board. That's Tropical Storm Epsilon. There is a weak wave over the Caribbean, a low chance that develops. Not going to worry about that. As for Epsilon, this gets pretty close to Bermuda as it intensifies to a hurricane. But this will stay far away from the United States, hopefully missing Bermuda as well, and should harmlessly curve out to sea in coming days. All right, precipitation valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. No rain expected here in the valley, although rain amounts 1/10 to 1/2 inch just to the north and east of us. And there is a degree of uncertainty in the forecast, and we'll outline that as we dive into modeling. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. I swear we show you a different map every single day, but the pattern is just identical. A Rex block out over the East Pacific with a sprawling ridge all the way up into the Bering Sea, a cutoff low underneath that, a trough in the northern tier states, and a northwest flow aloft here across Arizona. So what it means down at the surface is more of the same. Mostly sunny skies, just a few high clouds today, high temperatures in the mid-90s. Tonight, clear, lows upper 50s to mid-60s. Tomorrow, sunny, more of the same. Highs, mid-90s or so. On Thursday, the upper heights start to come down a little bit. High temperatures, low to mid-90s. The sky remains mostly sunny. A few more high clouds come into the mix on Friday. High temperatures pretty close to 90, maybe the low 90s. Upper 80s to about 90 on Saturday, partly sunny skies. As we go to Sunday and beyond, the model spread starts to grow here, and we'll show you a couple of different scenarios that could play out. First, the GFS and the European show a very progressive setup in place with a deep trough over the Rockies, the interior west, and a cold front descending south. Highs on Sunday likely in the low to mid 80s with partly sunny skies. The cold front comes through here Sunday night and Monday, and as is the case with a positively tilted trough and a progressive setup, not much moisture advection would take place. There could be some widely scattered showers north and east of Phoenix, maybe an isolated, light, brief passing shower here in the valley sometime early Monday, but that doesn't seem overly likely. The one thing that would occur is breezy conditions and much cooler temperatures would be in here, highs in the mid to upper 70s for Monday. Now, there are quite a few of the ensemble members within the GFS and European that show some of this energy detaching from the system and forming a cutoff low over the greater southwest. If that were to occur, the transition to cooler temperatures would be a bit slower, but we'd have a lot more moisture advection for a more widespread or robust precipitation event here. At this point, I would say the latter scenario is a little less likely, but still conceivable and something that we'll have to keep an eye on. And to further illustrate the challenges that we have with this forecast, let me show you another one of the global models. This is the GEM, or the Canadian model, on Monday morning. It's got a bowling ball type low coming down into the southwest. Upper heights at 543 decameters over southern Nevada. To say the least, this is an outlier solution of the most extreme, okay? But nevertheless, it shows a band of showers, maybe even some thunderstorms moving through the area, some pretty heavy rain coming down. And again, we're going to ignore the thermal profiles here. It's got high temperatures only around 60 in here on Monday. Again, not even going to consider that. But the concept here is a cutoff low forming over the southwest. And again, a fair portion of the ensemble guidance says that this is possible. At this stage of the game, I'm probably going to lean with the more progressive pattern here over the southwest. High temperatures, mid and upper 70s, breezy conditions, maybe an isolated shower on Monday, but we'll keep that part out of the forecast at this point. All right, let's go to a week from today, back off the GFS. This is Tuesday, the 27th. High pressure building in behind that departing system, a northwest flow aloft, and that looks a bit warmer and dry. And then going out 10 days, this is Thursday the 29th. Again, high pressure in control over the southwest, upper heights above average once again, temperatures back to above normal levels. We'd likely be in the mid and upper 80s if this verifies, and conditions stay dry. And as we take a look at precipitation off of the European ensemble, and you can see about a third of the members are on board with that idea of a more detached cutoff low scenario with the possibility of some precipitation in here late in the weekend or early next week. Okay, temperatures off the national blend of models, 97 today and tomorrow, but then trending down. How about 79 degrees for the high on Monday and Tuesday? We would love to see that, and overnight lows down in the 50s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. It is always appreciated. And you guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there. Watch yourselves and each other around the pool, and have yourselves a great Tuesday.